Bella has all the energy. Hi, Bella. We're getting set up here.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Hi. We're also hungry. We treated ourselves to Casey's pie, pizza pie, and crisps. And we're eating like monsters because we deserve it. Because we're monsters also. And I'm gonna have more wine. Hi.
I'm taking Audrey back into the town that I first moved to when I moved to Minnesota back in 2000. Our whole family moved to Rochester from Southern California. Yeah, I'm gonna give Audrey a little tour of where I used to live and stuff in this town, maybe.
It's also we're going to Walmart, yay! We're running some errands. We needed a few supplies. All right, Walmart. That was not a great experience.
We just got to town and we realized that we're not the only ones in this state that are crazy enough to try doing this full time.
Look at this guy. We spotted him from across the way over at the gas station. We're like, what is that?
We have no way to know how long he's been parked up here. He's got his hood up, so it looks like he's broken down.
He's got a much more rope than we do.
Yeah. Big generator on the back, champion generator. And yeah, it looks like the cover for his AC unit is off on the roof. He's got some things going on there. So yeah, I wonder what it's like in there. How comfortable it is.
Frozen tanks.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
Or if they're not frozen now, they will be.
So we're gonna go deeper into Rochester so that we can get a good burger. I'm gonna take Audrey to a place called Snappy Stop.
I want a good burgie.
It's nice to get reminders like that. You know, not many people try doing what we're doing, but there are other people that are doing what we're doing that are way less fortunate. God, we're so lucky. We're so lucky that we have family that has a place for us to park up for a little bit while we save up a little bit more money and figure out how Audrey's whatnot situation is going to work while we're on the road. We're so lucky that we accidentally bought the right RV that has enclosed tanks and a way to keep everything warm and above freezing. I'm so lucky that a lot of things happen. You know, like I was really down yesterday and having a really bad day because, you know, everything was taking longer, and right when I woke up, the RV was being a butt. Like the refrigerator died overnight and the water heater wouldn't light, and the furnace was acting up for some reason right away in the morning. And then later that day, we found a huge water leak that could potentially, you know, destroy our RV. We should have got bleach mixture or something, but I feel like I need to dry that out for another day. Anyway, I was really down on myself, and I was like, God, this sucks. We got it really bad. This is just a really bad position to be in going into the start of winter. And then I see someone like that, and I realize, damn, God, it could be so much worse, right? It could always be so much worse. You could always be in a position where you have less. I guess where we're at isn't so bad. A crematorium that I used to run an open mic at.
It's now a crematorium, and it was a bar? Okay, weird.
Mickey's, I ran a Monday night comedy show there once upon a time.
The only time I've been down to Rochester was with you, and we went straight to comedy. And it's only been 2, maybe 3 times now. And it's like nighttime, we go there and we leave. I've not seen anything. Oh, antiques.
It's a good antique town too.
Oh, that's a cute little building. Mediterranean.
So
Okay, this is a little bit bigger city than I thought it was.
So the Goonies used to be right here on the corner in this old mall that's right here that we're about to go by.
Okay.
And so we would come here on Thursday nights and we would do our comedy show. And we'd come here and there'd be a karaoke show.
So that was just the downtown. That was it, right?
Yeah, I mean,
it's not huge, but it's bigger buildings than I guess I thought. I knew there'd be a lot of hotels. I know that the hospital is a big deal.
They used to call this America's biggest small city.
Oh, Snappy Stop.
And so the guy that owns the Snappy Stop also owns this cow and this chicken, and I think a clown behind it, and you can rent these and like embarrass whoever you want.
I don't know what. Just give me a burger. Okay, snappy,
really
double snappy, or a triple.
Yeah, bacon
Snappy
double.
burgers. Oh, include.
Yeah, they also have a bacon double.
Okay. We went to Snappy Stop, and look at this greasy bag of fries.
It's like a
cute.
It's like a three spoon burger joint.
It's just a little tiny building, and it's a simple menu. And I'm about to taste how yummy it is.
There was a place that made probably one of the best burgers I've ever had in my life, but they're not in business anymore.
Oh. There is a Subaru Baja over there with a topper, and I can't stop thinking about it.
Hey, want to help us out? Subscribe to our channel. It's totally free, and it would really bring us joy. Then, click the bell notification so you know when we have a new video up. Thanks.
Corncob Water Tower. It's what this town is known for, I guess.
There's water in there.
Yeah, it's a water tower.
Seemed like a very big water tower.
13 years ago this month, I moved out of this house right here.
The 1224. Wow. Not a bad driveway for an RV.
Man, it's really easy to see this cord even in the rain. We were having troubles with the electricity last night. We weren't getting enough current, and we bought a bigger, thicker cord today. So this is actually a 12 gauge cord, so it's like a 15-20 amp cord. And now we have plenty of leftover power inside, so with everything running, we're not running the risk of tripping any breaker. So we gotta get some printing done so that Audrey can get some stuff shipped, and we're trying to figure out how to get her printer all set up. Let me show you the printer real quick. Here's what we got. Cord isn't long enough to reach Pro, which is up behind
the
there.
TV up there.
Right, so we're gonna try and balance that where the buddy heater's at right now.
We have to figure something out
today,
because this is gonna have to happen almost daily.
Yeah. I know. It's so tight up here. Trying to get anything done is such a big pain.
Dude, it's making me overheat.
Finally started snowing. Day and a half late.
Hi, B.
Beautiful out. It's cold. A little chilly. 34 degrees out. You want inside, Betty?
Okay.
Oh, just catch that door. Oh, wow. That's all. Okay, go on. Go on. Go, buddy. Oh, there's like a lot of traffic on this road. I don't want them all just looking into our RVs, so. Yeah, here comes a car right now. Where's your toy? Get your toy. Come on. Give. Good girl. Good girl. Day 3. I have to borrow or buy a push broom for the roof here. It's really nice out, despite, you know, the snow. It's not snowing as hard as it was. We could have had 2 more days of this, and it was just rain, so we didn't get any tornadoes, so I guess we'll take it. Belly, what do you think? How long is it going to take to wear you out, huh? Way more than a minute, I'll tell you that much for sure.
There's snow on the roof. I'm gonna have to get off.
Look at how much snow we had. Hi, Billy. Are you okay?
Ask my brother for a broom.
Why can't we drive it like this?
It's the Minnesota way.
I know. Just scrape off like an inch in the front, and we're good. All right, it's snack time, but we're leaving in this snow that we just.
Luckily, I put those snow tires on.
Yeah, we'll go through anything. So, you know, even if we didn't have the snow tires, it would have gone through anyway. For sure, but now we're just like, no problem.
Just idle through it. It was like, meh.
No problem. We had a lot of snow. I don't know how many inches, but it was a lot.
Over 6.
Definitely over 6. Icicles. Look at all the icicles hanging off Artie. I just did a thing. I don't know if it was irresponsible or responsible. I bought something.
We're headed to town right now. We're trying to make Audrey's working situation in the RV a little bit easier.
I saw something on Etsy that wasn't with me, so I had to drive back to my office to get that thing.
But also to pay bills.
Run some errands, grab some other supplies and things, etc., etc.
Such a well.
Etc. But I bought a thing, and I'll show you later. We're back in town.
We're in St. Louis Park right now, right?
This is actually where we used to live.
Yeah, we're like 8 blocks away from our old house.
In our house days.
It's been a year since we've lived in a house. We were saying the other point. It's been a year since we've lived in a house.
And it's been a year on YouTube
Yeah, be careful.
Careful.
Whoa!
It's slippery. That's almost falling in the slush.
I might.
No. It's refurbished, so it's not in its original box. Look at it.
She seems unimpressed.
Yeah, well, I'm unimpressed with the plain box too, but what's inside is pretty good. Should we open it?
Yeah, let's show everybody.
Let's open it right now. Okay.
Let's do an unboxing in a car.
In a car.
Because, I mean, we're not going to be patient enough to go home, and it's not like it's anything brand new, so it's not like we're getting clicks for unboxing a refurbished computer, right? It's a new to us computer. These guys are actually certified by Apple, so it's not like we're just buying it off of Craigslist or something. Like, these guys...
Oh, no.
And it comes with a 3-year warranty?
3-year warranty doesn't cover accidents, but...
We won't have any accidents. Oh, that's nice. It's bigger than I thought it would be.
Look at it. Look what I did.
Wow.
Look what I did.
That's nice.
I don't even know how to open it.
Huh.
I don't. Is there a thing? Oh, no. It's just open.
It just clamshells open. I like it so far.
Oh, but I did.
So this has got the same chip as our other computer. It doesn't have as much RAM, but that's okay because this isn't going to be used for main video production. It will be used for some video production, but
yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we end up with it. But it's my work computer now.
Yeah.
I have a really old. It functions great for what I need it for. Desktop Mac. But it is older and I can't do any video editing on there. I can't even get iMovie to work on that because it is too old. I'm so excited. I never thought I would have this, or not, at least not now, not for a couple years.
We don't have to keep going back and forth in the RV now.
I know. Because that was another thing, like, this will just make my life easier as far as getting shipping done. And
we'll turn it on later. We want to get going so we can get back to...
Let's get on with our day.
I'll go to the Menards where you're at, where you can go to the Menards an hour and a half away.
You're going with the big, that's the big end. The one that I decided to pick up while we're out running errands still kind of hail-like. We're making our decisions, obviously.
Tacos in the snowstorm, apparently. Here we go.
Fun.
It's not just in front of it. We got about an hour and a half drive, probably closer to 2 hours of traffic.
This traffic is garbage too, especially with weather and the time of day.
Well, the highway that we're getting onto right now is about to go by the Mall of America and then the airport.
Then there's airport traffic.
Once we get by the airport, it'll get better.
Kia.
Heck out of here, lady. Get me the heck out of here, lady, please.
Do not wish to go to the mall. We should just do a dash cam. I'll leave it there for a minute. Home.
So the bruising of many fingers, I've learned how rat traps work now.
Mouse traps.
Mouse traps.
So there's this kind. Oh, don't touch that thing. This one's a little more fancy. You don't really get to see it, and you can just kind of release it and let it fall in the garbage and not have to worry about this.
Whereas that, you definitely come out to a dead mouse.
But I feel like it's better than a glue trap.
No, I want to kill them. I don't want them to
I think glue traps are horrible. I think all of this is horrible, really, but we suspect that there's a rodent in our basement.
They will do thousands and thousands of dollars and cause us to be homeless. So I don't feel any guilt about killing them.
Well, no, they need to go.
Die.
This is like the only way. You can't go and ask them.
They were
give them an eviction notice.
Willing to pay rent, not chew on wires. I'd be happy to let them.
They're way too destructive. Yeah. Also, this. Find My allows you to locate this Mac on a map. Send it message. All right. I'm gonna finish installing all that.
We went a year, by the way, without mice. I just wanted.
We've never had this problem ever.
Yeah.
We did move to a
country-like location though, where
3 days later, mice got up.
and then snow.
They got a snow bridge to get in here. So.
They got a snow bridge.
Hey, guess what? We're all done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to find out more about us, check out this playlist here. It will be a list of our boondocking adventures earlier this year when it was much, much warmer. Thanks for watching. Bye.